What is a VA? Is it a robot? Is it a personal assistant? What is it? So I want to debunk what is a VA so that you really understand how a VA can actually help your business in 2020. Hi guys, it's Linh Podetti here and welcome to our Outsourcing Angel channel. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to be notified every single week or whenever we launch the video on how you can actually outsource and grow your business, cut costs, and also free up more time so you can travel the world and spend more time with your loved ones. Now in this video, I want to talk about what is a VA, because I sort of assume everyone knows what a VA is, but most people sort of think weird things about it. So if you're searching this video because you're wondering what is a VA, well, a VA in our terms is not just a robot. It's not those virtual assistant that is like a chatbot where you're just chatting to this robotic, sequence of messaging that is robotic, right? Because I've spoken to a client of mine and she's like, when I first heard of VA, I thought it was this robotic thing that is on the website or on Messenger or chatbot. So no, there is virtual assistant in that way, but our virtual assistant is not a robot. It is a person. It's someone who is sitting at home in another country, working virtually, working remotely from their home or in an office. The virtual word just means that they are not next to you. They're not in your office, they're working somewhere else and assisting you. Assistant meaning they are assisting you in your business and whatever that task is. I'm curious to know if when you first heard of VA, what did you really think of? Love to hear in the comments below what the term VA got you thinking as when you first heard it. The next thing that sometimes people think of a virtual assistant or a VA is that they are like your secretary or they're your personal assistant who's going to just help you with your travel plans or making bookings for you or, checking your emails and just doing like those admin, like what a secretary would do, right? Now, I want to explain to you that a virtual assistant is way more than that. A virtual assistant in our world is someone that can actually help you to grow your business. In our company, the virtual assistant can be someone that is specialized in graphic design, someone who's specialized in web development. So that's like technical specialist work. So they're not just a secretary, they're like experienced and skilled workers. And other skills are like social media marketers. Then they can manage your Instagram, Facebook, and they can do email campaign. They can even design landing pages and work with ClickFunnels and all those, softwares that most business owners find it really hard to do. And so it's really about a virtual assistant is not just someone that is taking some task that you flick to them, like, okay, just help me with here and help me there, and it's like a personal assistant, but it's really an assistant who is going to help you to grow your business. And so the role really ranged from all sorts of things, from email marketing to social media marketing to web development, through AdWords, through to really anything that you can do virtually. But in our business, we specialize in marketing, and so a lot of our clients are hiring our VAs to do the things that I just mentioned. And so I wanted to debunk in this video that what a VA is. A VA is so much more. My VA, I'll give you a case study example, is I hired her about 7 years ago. Her name is Wendy. She started off as a content writer, but because she's an assistant, someone that I can train and I can work closely with and for a long time, she has now taken over so many of my roles. She has helped me with recruitment. She became my recruitment manager. She is now currently my accounts manager. I trust her so much that she does my accounts receivable, accounts payable. She knows all of my passwords and credit cards and everything. She's literally my right-hand woman. And so you can really grow your virtual assistant into someone you truly trust. Like, it doesn't matter if they're not working next to you. You can build such a strong relationship, and they know you inside out and know the business and your goals so well that they can really truly support you and grow with you throughout your whole journey. So I hope I've explained to you what a virtual assistant is, or in this case a VA, or whatever terms you've heard of and you weren't sure. I hope this video have really explained to you clearly what a virtual assistant can do. Now, how are we different to other companies that offer a virtual assistant? Our mission at Outsourcing Angel is to create home-based job opportunities for people in developing countries. So unlike other virtual assistant companies or BPO companies. They have offices and they put everyone in an office, and these people work 9 to 5 and take hours and hours to travel to and from work. Well, with us it's different. They have a life. Our virtual assistant gets to work from home anywhere in the country, in provinces, next to the family, and they get to be there for their family. You know, they have needs just like us. They want to be able to have more quality time to live the life that they are born to have, right? And so they don't want to slave away just traveling and working long hours in an office, in cubicles. So it is our mission to give them great job opportunity, being hired by people from countries in the first world countries like Australia, America, so their income is higher than what they would be able to earn over there, and at the same time have that quality of life. And so that is our difference. Our difference is just making this world a better place by starting with making sure the VAs have a better life. And then through that, we also have a lot of charity work where we reinvest our profit into charity projects, and we encourage our VAs to give back, to continue to create the ripple effect and reduce poverty in their country. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Yeah, our team is always there to have a chat with you. If you want to discover what tasks the VA can do, let us know in the comments below, and I'll see you again next week. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to get more education and information about outsourcing and how to grow your business. Bye.